So your credit card number is actually located on the back or even the front of your credit card. This is my Navy Federal credit card. I already showed you guys on this card, and it's on the back of it. So I actually put something over my full credit card number, but it's a 16-digit card number, and it's here. If you guys are wondering also too, this is the date that is going to expire. And then in this section right here, you're going to get that 3-digit security code. Now, when you guys get these cards right here, you want to make sure that people is not having your information too. Sometimes if you guys are used to, calling in and buying things, they're typing out your credit card number, or sometimes I don't know, maybe I don't hopefully they're typing it into whatever they're typing it in, but sometimes they can write it down. And if your credit card number is written down, then they can try to run the transaction on your credit card again, or even your debit card. So I always tell people, try not to always show your credit card. And if you can, I like to use Apple Pay. When I use my Apple Pay, I can just go ahead and tap it. But I like to use my Apple Pay because I just feel like it's more secure that way. And then two, some of these cards allow you to have like a digital card, where I don't, it's a digital card that's basically not tied to your account. So hopefully you guys can be able to find those credit cards out there. But make sure you guys are not showing your card number, for those people that's just not getting credit cards. Don't show your card number, and try not to give it out over the phone. Try to see if you could type it into like a secure thing if you can. Like if you want to purchase something, try to see if you can type it into like a secure app, because you'll just be more